Hello. Hello there. Hello there. Throughout my years of being a Star Wars fan, there's always been one character that I just relate to a little too much. A little too much. A little too much. I'm sure you guys can relate, maybe, but there's always been that one character that I quote in almost every single one of my lightsaber unboxing and review videos. The cyborg himself, General Grievous. General Grievous, my beloved. Every saber I always buy happens to be a fine addition to my collection.
Your lightsabers will make a fine addition.
General Grievous. You're shorter than I expected.
And I think this thing that I'm unboxing today is going to be a very fine addition to my collection. However, it is not a lightsaber. So a couple months ago, a very, very kind person by the name of Andrew emailed me, and my manager happened to see it and was like, hey, there's this guy that might want to make you something really cool, some Star Wars prop, basically anything you'd want him to make, he can make. And I was like, challenge accepted. Would you maybe be able to make me a General Grievous? It'd be like looking in a mirror. So Andrew said, yeah, I'll do it. And throughout the past couple months, he's been making this that I have with me here today. And I have not opened it. I thought I would open it with you guys today and we'd have a first look at it together. And I couldn't be more excited. It's gonna go great next to my collection of heads and things that are accumulating in my corner of my house. But anyways, let's crack this box open. Also, recently YouTube reached out and they were like, hey, there's like a lot of people that watch your videos all the time, but they aren't subscribed to you. So you should probably ask them to subscribe. So if you guys have not subscribed yet, please do. I make Star Wars videos, I make nerdy content, I make movie content, I make things that I enjoy to make. So if you guys like that content, please subscribe and I will love you forever. Thank you. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I will say, Andrew, you did a fantastic job packaging this. 10 out of 10. Ooh, there's a card. There's a lot of different things in this box right now that I'm looking at and I don't know what it is. I don't know anything. Hi, Carly. A little while back, I reached out about a collaboration/recognition opportunity in exchange for a custom artwork piece. And now here it is, the General Grievous bust. Thank you for the challenge of creating this highly detailed and accurate prop. I even surprised myself with how it turned out. I hope you enjoy it as much as I enjoyed making it. I've also packaged everything in a way that can make for a fun unboxing video. You'll find a QR code included that links to a PDF with step-by-step instructions. If you guys want to check out his Instagram, I'm gonna put everything down below, but this is his QR code for his channel. So please scan that and you'll find it. Okay, there's a lot going on right now. This looks like it is the head holder. The head holder. This looks like a head. This says ears. And then these are, oh my God, teeth. I'm gonna scan the General Grievous QR code and we're gonna follow the instructions and build this thing. Okay, so this looks to be the holder for the head. Okay, yeah, wow, this is nice. So we have, I'm guessing, the base for the head. This says right side. So I should probably find right side and left side. Yeah, this is left side. Looks like we should get the base plate. Looks to be this. Wow. Oh, wow. Oh my God. Oh, this is gonna be huge. This is gonna be like life-sized. Okay, so this is what we're working with currently. I will say this is one of the nicest things anyone's ever done for me. Like, to reach out and say, hey, I wanna build you, I wanna make you anything custom that you want. So nice, so very, very sweet. I'm just gonna open everything up and then see what we're working with. This is actually something that I never thought I would have in my collection. Like, I never thought I would have this, so I'm so grateful. Ah! Okay, so far, so good. This is what we're working with. I'm putting in the wires and all the things right now. The PDF he made has been super easy to follow along with. Like, I know exactly where everything goes because it's so detailed. Oh, this is so sick. Ew. It's bro's throat. And then we put this right in here. Now we have to get these big boys. These feel like metal. It's crazy how good quality this is. Stuff like this makes you appreciate the character himself because of how much detail was put into the design. I mean, like, this is just incredible.
2,000 years later.
Look at this. I have a feeling that this is the head. I think this is it. I think this is it, guys. Oh, I feel like a kid on Christmas morning right now, opening my gifts. Dude, do you see what I see? Oh, dude, this is gonna be giant. Okay. Oh, what? Why did that jump scare me? Why did that actually jump scare me? My face is turning red. Guys, that actually scared me so bad. No, I forgot. So, okay, before we look, I have never seen a General Grievous head for real, like this close before. I'm so scared right now. Ew. It's so realistic. Ew. I'm stunned. Wow. The eyes, do you guys see this? This looks legit. Like, the eyes look real. Like, you could see the gloss on the eyes. Ew. I'm saying ew in a very, very nice way. In a very endearing way. Oh yeah, I think it's gonna have to pop on. Wow. This is legit, dude. Oh, I think it worked. I think it worked. I think I did it. I did it. Yeah, I did. I think. Yeah. It's gonna be like night at the museum. This is gonna be like night at the museum, but night at Carly's house. And it's just all of my weird things coming to life.
3:28 a.m.
It took me 500 years, but I finally got the ears on. It took some super glue, some trial and error, and blood, sweat, and tears, but we got them on. And these, I think this is the last thing we have to do. These are like the teeth things. Okay, all we have to do are these little babies.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Guys, I think he's done. I think he's finished. I'm gonna have to carefully show y'all, but this is how he turned out. Wow, I mean, everything down to like the wires, to the weathering, to the color choices. I'm actually so blown away. I've super glued on the parts that I needed to super glue that needed that extra strength. I might go back in and super glue some other things, but this is how he turned out. I just want to say a big thank you to Andrew. I'm gonna put all of his information down in the description below. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for creating this custom Star Wars piece for me. This is art. Like, this is a piece of art, and I really couldn't be more grateful for this. I just can't stop looking at him. It's like looking into a mirror. Your lightsaber will make a fine addition to my collection. You need some water? Bro coughs so much, he's gonna need some water at some point. I bet nobody has ever offered General Grievous water. So, sir, this is for your cough. Oh wait, I have an idea. I have something for General Grievous that I don't think anyone has ever offered him. And it's a cough drop. Sir, this is for you. You're welcome. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching me make and build this incredible piece of art created by Andrew. I'll put his information below. Comment down your favorite General Grievous quote in the comments below. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, night, wherever you are, and may the Force be with you, always. Grievous says goodbye. Bye!